Meanwhile, a local immigration attorney is asking for help from the public to get in contact with those taken into custody at two Emiliano's restaurant locations last week.
You saw the aftermath of that ICE raid on Pittsburgh's Action News 4. 16 people taken into custody. Covering Allegheny County tonight, Pittsburgh's Action News 4 reporter Kaylee Gunderson joining us with what this attorney is really trying to do. Kaylee.
Well, Shannon, tonight he is offering his services pro bono to the remaining Emiliano's employees that were taken into custody by ICE in that raid. And he says it's urgent that he get this message to their families because he learned that 2 people have already been deported.
By Monday morning, one of the 2 people had been deported. Okay, so that was quite a shocker. That happened awfully fast. Someone I probably could have protected if I had been hired sooner, but they didn't have the funds. They did hire us for the other fellows, so we're representing 1. Since then, I've heard another person's been deported. So of the original 16, there's now only 14 remaining. One of them I represent, at least 13 unrepresented migrants in our immigration jail.
Murphy and his team offering to represent all 13 for free, a service that he estimates would typically cost from $5,000 to $10,000. Now that's on top of paying bond, which he says could cost someone around $1,500 to $15,000, depending on their immigration history. Now, since the raid, Emiliano's has raised more than $130,000 via a GoFundMe. The GoFundMe noting that the money will be used to cover the bond hearings for each employee and estimates about $3,000 for each, as well as their salaries for the month. The restaurant posting to Instagram this week forms showing where that money will go with sensitive information blacked out. Murphy says with 2 already deported, it's urgent his message gets to the families of the remaining 13 Emiliano's employees.
You don't have to pay us anything. If you don't speak English, you can call my office. We speak Spanish here, and there's plenty of people here to speak to you in Spanish. Just say Spanish when we pick up the phone, and we'll get you a Spanish paralegal on the phone.
Now, Emiliano's telling Pittsburgh's Action News 4 tonight that the funds they have collected will be transferred to the individuals within the next few days. We'll keep you updated as this story develops. Covering Allegheny County in downtown Pittsburgh, Kaylee Gunderson, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.